Health authorities have issued a warning to residents to limit their exposure to mosquitoes as cases of the Japanese encephalitis virus increase. A Victorian man has become the first fatality of this rare virus.
A health warning asked to be taken seriously.
So we're quite concerned. We've never really seen this virus in Victoria. Previously in Australia, it's only been reported in the Tiwi Islands and the far north of Cape York.
There are 7 active cases of the mosquito-borne virus in Victoria.
Encephalitis, a hard C. Yes, I did check with the public health team.
A man in his 60s from the state's north is the first fatality.
Maybe 1 in 100 or 200 might get this brain infection and brain inflammation, and they're the ones that we worry about.
A national alert was declared last week after cases were also detected in New South Wales, Queensland and South Australia.
We're concerned that this could lead to more cases, and thus the reason for all of the control measures that we're taking right now.
Most people that contract the virus don't notice any symptoms, but they have been present in rare cases. They include nausea, fever and headaches, neck stiffness, and in around 1% of cases, swelling of the brain, which can be fatal.
Anyone who develops a fever with headache, vomiting, seizures and sometimes disorientation and coma must urgently seek medical attention.
There is a vaccine available in Asia, and authorities here in Australia are preparing for supply delivery. At this stage, agricultural communities here in Victoria and interstate and groups most at risk will be prioritised.
But we do know that we have a very good preventative vaccine. We just yet don't have, of course, the doses in Australia to vaccinate lots of people, if that's actually what's required.
There is a vaccine available. We're working through the local public health units to prioritise its rollout, and we need to take it very seriously.
Experts say high levels of humidity and hot temperatures have caused the mosquito-borne virus to spread.
So clearly, with so much climate change-induced weather pattern change, we're now seeing it move around all the states.
Authorities are advising residents to take measures to avoid mosquitoes and mosquito habitats, including stagnant water like rivers, lakes and creeks.
It is not a problem in the big urban areas of Australia like Sydney or Melbourne or Brisbane. It's more of a problem in the rural areas, particularly along the big rivers, the Murray, the Darling.
There are 6 infected piggeries within Victoria, and there's other sites where they suspect that there might be Japanese encephalitis virus as well.
Wearing long-sleeve, loose-fitting clothing and applying insect repellent is being advised. Jessica Maggio, Sky News, Melbourne.